You can now add animated captions to your videos on TikTok without using any outside application. So if you don't do a lot of editing to your videos, then you can directly just add captions within TikTok. The first thing you want to do is import your footage into TikTok. And as you can see, I have my footage pulled up right here into TikTok, and you'll see a ton of icons here on the right side. And the first thing you want to click is you want to click the edit icon. And then there's going to be a lot more icons at the bottom here. And what you want to do is you want to click captions, and it's going to generate all the captions for you. And then you can adjust the length. And then you want to click your caption and then select style. And as you can see right here, there are a ton of different animated captions you can select. And you can do this all on the TikTok application. You don't have to use CapCut. And these are really cool animations that you can all get. And I'm not sure how long this feature has been on TikTok, but I think this is really cool how you can do it directly right on the app. And of course, after you select your animation, you then want to go back through your captions and make sure they're spelled correctly, because you want to make sure they're spelled right. And after that, you should be all good to go with your captions, and then you can post your TikTok straight to your account from here with having animated captions directly in the TikTok app. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're a content creator, video editor, or do anything in the online space, I have a free Discord community down below where we all can give free value to each other. So make sure you join that if you're interested, and thanks for watching.